Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Shopify payment method. So for this, simply head on over to your Shopify store. Once you head on over to your Shopify store, you can click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings, you are going to click on payments on the left panel over here. Now once you do that, make sure you are able to see your current payment provider, and then if you scroll down, you might have some manual payment methods. So what you are going to do is, first off, you are going to click on manage on your manual payment method and then deactivate that payment method. Once you have removed all the other types of payment methods, then just go into the top payment method, which is going to be usually Shopify payments or any other payment provider that you have integrated. Click on manage over here, and then you are going to click on deactivate. For testing, just scroll to the bottom and then click on deactivate, and it will just say the name of your payment provider. Click on that and click on deactivate once more, and then your Shopify payment will be removed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.